We put another one on top again. Fuck, dude! There's so many! You guys good? Just chilling, yeah? Not gonna peck at me, are you? You guys are stuck! Oh shit, you're stuck on some line! Oh, you poor thing. Ah. Shit, I'll be right back. Shoof. It's like caught in that branch. I'm gonna have to get it out. Poor thing, it's shivering. I freed this one, but I don't know if he wants to move or not. I think I gotta just leg out of there. Yeah, he should be fine. They've also got my pliers in between. They pecked at it and they stole it from me. Peck at me. Alright, I'm good. Not gonna touch it yet because there's a bird on it, but I think I'm good. I'm gonna try and work on these guys now.